All right, so we are trying to solve this question. The question is saying that A and B are unit vectors. Then the greatest value of this expression will be what? So when you see this expression, what you see here is that you've got A plus B and A minus B. So um one thought which could come in our mind directly is that what if these two vectors are parallel? What if these two vectors are parallel? That what would happen that A plus B will become either 2A or 2B, whatever you call it, and that will be 2 times this vector, and then this will become 0. So then what we get is 2 root 3, right? But whether this will be the only thing, because this is the expression which is becoming 0. So could there be anything more than that, right? So what we are looking at here is that there must be some angle between A and B, which we're trying to look at. What is this angle between A and B? And then we will try to figure out whether to maximize that or minimize that to get this expression as the maximum or a minimum value. So maximum value is what is being asked. So let's try to draw a picture here. So we have got a vector. Let's say this is what is my B vector, and this is what is my A vector. Why did I do this? Is because then it is easier for me to draw a minus B vector as well. So this is my B vector right now. And then this is what I'm calling as A vector. So if I have to draw my minus B vector would be this way, right? Equal and opposite direction, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. So this is what is my minus B vector. Now, what is A plus B here? If I'm trying to look at A plus B, this diagonal which you would be getting will be A plus B. If you create what we call as the parallelogram using this, like if I create a parallelogram, actually, not this parallelogram, right? So we know that this is the diagonal from the parallelogram law of vector addition. This is going to be given by A plus B. And this is what is my vector A. Now, let's say if I'm assuming this angle to be theta, the angle between these two vectors, then this angle will be 180 degree minus theta, because of the reason that this is going to be a parallelogram, and then sum of these two co-interior angles will be 180 degree. Now, what I want to do is, I want to make use of the property of this triangle, and then I know that cos of 180 degree minus theta would be, I could write it as magnitude of A if I'm taking this as a triangle. So I could say this is magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square, and then plus minus magnitude of A plus B whole squared, and that is upon 2 times magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Cos 180 degree minus theta will be minus cos theta, and magnitude of A square plus B square, actually 1 plus 1 minus magnitude of A plus B whole squared, and this is 2 times 1 into 1, because these are unit vectors. So now what I got is, I can just cross multiply and get minus 2 cos theta equals to 2 minus A plus B magnitude square, or I could say that A plus B magnitude square is 2 plus 2 cos theta. So this is as a formula as well, we know, as in, if you look at A plus B magnitude, you could have just known that A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. But I just derived it over here for our own clarity. So now this is 2 plus 2 cos theta, or I could say that this is 2 times 1 plus cos theta, or I could say this is magnitude of A plus B is whole square is 2 into 2 sine square. So not sine square, cos square theta by 2. So this is 2 cos square theta by 2. And then I could say from here that magnitude of A plus B is actually equal to 2 cos theta by 2. Now we can go in the similar manner in this side of this, and as this angle is theta, so this angle will be 180 degree minus theta, right? And again, we can do the same stuff. And now what we can do here is, like, I can directly make use of this formula over here, right? So what we have to have here is that what will be given by, again, A minus B. Again, there will be another diagonal which is there. And what you have to see here is that this is the one which will be given by what we are calling as, this is A, this is B. So this is A. So this is again A. And this is the one which will be given by A minus B actually. Now, if I'm trying to look at the angle, right? So this angle, if I'm looking at as this is 180 degree minus theta, this angle will be theta. So in this manner, if I'm just going and doing it, so I could say that this is cos theta is same manner is gonna be equal to magnitude of a square plus minus b vectors magnitude square minus a minus b magnitude square upon 2 times magnitude of a into magnitude of minus b. Whatever this is cos theta, this will be again 1 plus 1 minus a minus b magnitude whole squared upon 2 times this is 1 into 1. And from here what I get is magnitude of a minus b whole squared is actually this is 2 minus 2 cos theta, 2 minus 2 cos theta. So we are writing it directly. So now from here I can get a minus b whole squared is actually equal to 2 times 1 minus cos theta. Again, we can use the formula and we can write it as 2 sine square theta by 2. And from here on, I can say that magnitude of a minus b is going to be equal to 2 sine theta by 2. Now I've got my expressions. Now I can put it here and find out this is root 3, which is given to me root 3 magnitude of a plus b. And then we have been given plus a minus b. And we need to basically substitute these values here. So this will become root 3 times 2 cos theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2. If I take 2 common, then this will become root 3 cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. And again, we know what will be the maximum value of this expression. But if you don't know, we just go ahead and then do this work again. So what I can do is I can just multiply and divide by 2 here. So when I do this, what will happen here is that this will become root 3 by 2 cos theta by 2. And this will become 1 by 2 sin theta by 2. And I can say that this root 3 by 2 is actually say cos of 30 degree. And this is cos theta by 2. And then I can say this is sin 30 degree into sin theta by 2. And then I could say this is 4 into cos of 30 degree minus theta by 2. Now we know that the maximum value of this will be 1. So maximum value of this expression or the greatest value of this expression is that 4 itself. So max value will be 4. And that is what will be your answer. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.